Tile house by the Bloom in BİO LaltiC, Vietnam. In early 2022, we had the opportunity to work with an investor in Bao Loc, which was also the time when we clearly realized the difficulties that this land would bring. Those were long, dry, sunny days followed by endless rain from day to day. The consequence is that corrugated iron houses keep popping up around them. Although the climate is so harsh, the air here is very pleasant and cool all year round. So the problem is, how much will the climate like this house? We answer that question with actual sensory actions around the house. The house is the residence of a warm, emotional family, including old people and young children, old enough to have no time to be sad and so young that just a branch or blade of grass is enough to chat about all day. And tile is the material we choose to protect them. In addition to being able to talk to the weather very well, tile also brings a unique feeling of nostalgia that only old people can know. Therefore, the tile serves as both a roof, a wall, a cover, and a slot to let air into the house, combined with two-layer soundproof and heat-insulating walls. We divide the spaces into the house, ensuring privacy for each room and surrounding neighbors. To take advantage of the cool local air, tile acts as a lever to bring cool air into the house in the form of a shutter and to convect this airflow. We create one light wind hole large in the middle of the house and slots bright slit. Wind surrounding the house help light and wind penetrate every corner of the house. When this house was completed, everyone felt the beginning of an economic recession. Everything needs to be measured more carefully. The house is always a place for mental peace, comforting dreams, and upcoming plans. We hope Tile House is also a house like that.